Our cameraman will take a few pictures of you. These dresses are stunning. You can choose one to wear.
Wow. Are these designer dresses? They must be pricey. I'm the most beautiful girl in this city. I can't wait to try them on.
You need to be quick. We don't have much time. I have a lot to do.
Okay, sir, I promise I won't disappoint. I'll give it my all.
Amy, could you come here? I need your help.
Yes, sir. How can I assist you today?
This is Mickey. She's here for an audition. Please do her makeup. We need someone who looks truly beautiful.
Don't worry, sir. I'll handle her makeup. She's already gorgeous. Miss Mickey, please follow me. I am so thrilled today. One day, I will become a superstar. Let's not wait any longer. Keep quiet. Everyone. You're looking stunning, but you need to change into your dress now. Alright, I'll put it on and be back in a moment. Mickey, my dear, I'm home. Where are you? Mickey, can you hear me? Are you in your room? Mickey? I need to talk to you. Where could she be? She's not here. I am ready. Shall we go? I don't want to be late. Amazing. I'm sure you'll be selected. You look fantastic. Mickey, are you ready for your photo shoot? You're looking breathtaking. Please close your mouth. A fly can enter in your mouth.
Amazing. I'm sure you'll be selected. You look fantastic.
Thank you. I can't wait any longer. Where is the cameraman?
He'll be here soon. You definitely have the potential to be a model. Spectacular. What a fantastic performance. You did an excellent job.
Thank you so much. I hope you'll pick me.
You can leave now. I need to speak to Mickey. Mickey, I can drop you home if you'd like. You are very beautiful. You can be a model.
I need change my dress. I must go right now.
I can drop you home if you'd like.
No, thank you. I'll take a cab. I'll wait for your response.
Sure, I hope we will see again. Take care, Mickey.
Mickey, where have you been? Tell me the truth. Mom, I've told you so many times, I want to become a superstar. Stop avoiding the question. Where did you go? I went for an audition today. It was my photo shoot. Are you out of your mind? A photo shoot? I need to teach you a lesson. You should be thinking about marriage. I'll find a good match for you soon. No, Mom. I don't want to ruin my career. I want to act in movies. Not get married. You can't stop me, this is my final decision. Good night.
I like these photos. She is stunning. She could star in my movie. She is your biggest fan and was eager to meet you. I'm sure she'd listen to you. That's wonderful. I prefer beautiful girls. She'll need to work in an advertisement first. I knew you'd be interested. Shall I call her? She can come tomorrow. Yes, absolutely. Tell her the good news. She's going to be a star. I'm sure she'll be excited. She can do anything for a chance like this.
What happened? Why did you call me? Is Mickey okay?
I want to ask you something. Do you have feelings for my daughter? Please be honest. Do you love Mickey? Will you marry her?
Yes, I love her deeply. I want to marry her, but she doesn't seem to like me.
I will convince her. She's my daughter, she will listen to me. Will your sister accept Mickey? You can bring her tomorrow.
Don't worry, I'll convince my sister. We'll come tomorrow. Thank you so much, I will keep her happy. She is my love.
No, I will not listen to Mom. My dream will come true. Soon, I hope they will select me. I am the most beautiful girl in the world. Hello, it's me. Mickey.
Hello, I am Peter. I really liked your photos. You are going to be famous. Soon Leo also liked your photos. He wants to meet you.
What am I dreaming? Leo wants to meet me. I am so excited.
Yes, you will work with him. He wants to make a movie. Congratulations. You have been selected. Can you come tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, I can come tomorrow. Thank you so much.
You will work in an ad before you have to show your acting skills.
Don't worry, I will not let you down. I will be there on time.